In this presentation, I'll be showing you new anomalies I discovered at a new site, East of Chalcoporos Rupes. I hope I'm pronouncing that name correctly. This is in a region of Mars called Noachis Terra, located in the southern mid-latitudes of Mars. Dust devil tracks in bright crater floor in Southern Noachis Region. Acquired on the 8th of September 2024 at a resolution of 25.2 centimeters per pixel with 1:1 binning. I downloaded the JP2 black and white map projected file, 287 megabytes in size. And the images I'll be showing you are cropped from that JP2. Here's a look at the site in the low-res black and white, and we've got some data loss in the signal and this strip down the middle. We know the camera has this error or fault where the middle strip on the photographs is no longer showing. I know NASA is working on that problem. So the site is at roughly 55 degrees, 5 minutes south, 26 degrees, 50 minutes east. And we'll be zooming in on the item right there, folks. You can use the scale indicator I've included to work out approximately how big these objects are. So let's zoom in on this strange item. Look at the straight edges and right angles to this piece. What could this be? Is it some type of debris or wreckage? Or is it from a structure or some type of machine or technology? We can only speculate. And very close to it, we're looking at the blocks over there, folks. Check out the very smooth, flat surface, the symmetry and geometry in the shape. And then it seems we might have an opening on the top right. It seems to be part of this structure underneath, with that there possibly being an opening. Right, let's zoom in on the item over there. And we've seen so many of these anomalies that have got like a finger or fingernail type of appearance to them. Again, there is symmetry and geometry in this upper part. Very strange. And then over here, it seems to be hollowed out, with this part mounted on what appears to be a slab or block underneath. Right, another one of these partial discs or half disc shapes. Found so many of those on Mars as well. Check out the shape, folks. Nice symmetry and geometry to this piece as well. What could these be part of? And why are there so many half discs on Mars? Right, then we're looking at another one of these strange circular objects with a small part in its center. Almost like a little hatch. Again, until we get to see these things up close, until we walk up here on top and go and check this out, we can't say for sure what this is. but I speculate this might be an opening to what might be an exposed underground shelter or bunker. Then this strange piece, it's also got a weird shape to it, and then these diagonal raised parts. The two are parallel with one another as well. To get the neat rounded shape as well. The shape of, almost you could say, like a golf club, right? It's very strange. And then up to the top, within walking distance, check this piece out. It looks almost like some type of machine. Not that it is, folks. Some type of wreckage, perhaps. Could it be part of a structure? Look at the block or raised part in the center of this long rectangular piece. And then these two parts over here to the side are also very, very odd. Seems to be hollow over here to the left. Right, and then another one of these, what I speculate to be a megalithic block or a slab that's partially covered in sand. But check out the L shape to it. Almost as if this on the left is at a lower elevation than the part to the right, like it's been carved away. Very, very odd shape. And then the smaller item in the center, I speculate, could be either a megalithic block or some type of container. Get the outer part. It looks almost like sheet metal. A nice 90-degree angle to it. And then something on the inside. And I've found so many container-like artifacts on Mars as well. And also in Noachis Terra, if you've been following my work, you'll see that I've found many objects that look like ships or boats. And there's that huge one that looks like some type of carrier. Could it be a cargo ship? And this is one of the containers that fell off. We don't know. But Noachis Terra is also known as the land of Noah, or Noah's land. Is there some significance to that? We know that Noah was involved with the great flood. I don't know. Pure speculation on my part. Right, let's head on down to Noachis Terra, to the site, to the east of Chalcoporos Rupes, which is a scrap named from albedo feature at 50 south, 6 west. Right, as you can see, NASA's scanned or photographed this site several times in the past, and here's a brief look at those very odd anomalies once again. So not only do we have square or rectangular blocks. We also have these round objects, half discs, and then these strange items that have got like oval parts to them. So what process in nature produces both blocks or slabs as well as discs and cylindrical parts, as well as this very sculpted piece? You'd expect if it's a dried out lake bed and it cracked up that it could make some of these square parts. But where do these come from? Let's have a look at some of the other sites close by. See what I discovered there. Check out that odd piece. Like a disc, a small part in its center. It looks almost like a huge flower. And then lots of blocks. I really got to upscale these images again. Right, let's have a look at this site over here. Very unusual to see that sort of split. Multiple blocks perhaps, arranged in a pattern, next one another. And then let's have a look at one last site. Another one of those parts with a rectangular slot in it. A little narrower than the one we just had a look at this site. That there too looks like some type of container with something inside it. Here's another disc. As always, thank you for watching. Take care everybody. I'll see you in the next one soon. Bye bye for now.